Ninja Button. Basically what Ninja Button is split testing software that allows you to test different variations of designs for the buttons on your website to see which one converts more so that you can get more business and earn more money. So that's the high-level view. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the background of the company and kind of what it's all about. So you have a company, or you work for a company, and that company has a website. Or at least I really hope it has a website. And that website is not just to tell people where your offices are. It's not just to tell people, what kind of copy you have on your site and say, hey, check out my cool, pithy writing on my website. It's really ultimately a sales tool. And what you want is people to click and convert into paying customers. So how do you do that? Well, there's more and more people these days that are designing websites, and if you're not taking advantage of usability testing or split testing, you're basically leaving money on the table. Because split testing allows you to test different variations of your website, from different headlines on the pages to different pictures to different buttons on the site that are going to convert more money. So which one is going to do that more? And so, next slide. There are lots of companies that are capitalizing on this by creating all sorts of different software. There's eye tracking software, mouse tracking software. There's Google website optimizer and web page analyzers and consultants that are really high-paid consultants. And the problem is those consultants are really expensive, or you have to hire a really expensive full-time employee. And you're a company that needs to take advantage of all the money that you have, all the capital that you have, and don't have time to learn a complex tool. Well, there's so many things on the website, so many things to do. What gives you the most bang for your buck? What do you focus on? Well, we propose you focus on buttons. So the reason you focus on buttons is because it gives you the most bang for your buck. It's really ultimately what leads to the sale. People click on this button, which leads to a purchase, or leads to a lead that eventually converts into a purchase. So that's exactly what Ninja Button does. It's software that allows you to try out different variations of buttons that you put on your website, and then ultimately converts more, earns you more money. So let me tell you a little bit about the Ninja way. So we call this the way of the ninja. It's the Ninja Button way. I know it sounds kind of like a bad Van Damme movie, but this is sort of the basic principle. You upload different button designs, different variations of text, different button designs for, buy now, click here, add to cart. You can try out different, red, blue, yellow, square, round. So we also allow you to design these buttons. Then what Ninja Button does is it generates a piece of code for you for all those different button variations that you can put on your site. You put that code on your site, and it will automatically serve up the different variations for you. It allows you to test these different buttons and rotates them through for you. And what this does is it allows you to track all the conversions, so which button gets more clicks. Eventually you'll have a statistically significant result, and ultimately you win because you're converting more, you're gaining more money, and your website is actually converting and doing what it's supposed to do. So where are we at right now? We started this up with a startup weekend, and right now we are in the process of getting it out into general availability, which will be August 1st. And we're going to have all kinds of new features like button designers, so you can actually design what these buttons look like, multiple button uploaders, graphs so you can track the conversions for each of your different button variations and different pages. And I guess that's really kind of the high-level view. We have lots of other information we'd love to share with you. The team is actually all here, I think, tonight, except maybe James if he's not here yet. If you're on the Ninja Button team, raise your hand. Matt Gordon, Jason's on the team, Celeste is on the team, Jim is on the team, and we can open this up to, I guess, 2 or 3 questions right now if you have questions. No questions.
When can we try it?
What's it cost?
Oh, August 1st. All right.
Oh, this is what it costs. So it's free to try. So you can put this in your email newsletter or put this on your website. Try it out, see if you like it. Upload your different button varieties. You can actually go and try out our alpha. Our alpha is live right now. If you go to ninjabutton.com, you can go and upload different variations of buttons. But all the cool extra features are coming out August 1st.